For the pancake session, we were given ready dough. Choose either original, matcha, sweet potato or strawberry flavor. It was easy to follow the step-by-step instructions. The frying part was left to the staff for safety reason. Great to be eating something you made on your own. I was surprised that the scallions we plucked were dried up already, later being explained that the farm had that plucking session for us to experience plucking and that the quality Sunshine scallions were on the other side of the farm. Overall a good experience. We got some scallion-flavored food on site too. We had a great time. It was such a unique experience to be able to make your own scallion pancake and eat it after. Plus we got to harvest a scallion as well. I definitely recommend this. Interesting experience to harvest spring onion and to make one. The pancake tastes yummy and fresh. Weather is hot though. Recommended activity at Yilan. New experience for the kids. The package comes with ice cream and spring onion biscuits. The kids had first-hand experience on making pancake and plucking the spring onions, which excited them a lot. Very worth it. Such a fun and interesting experience. Got the scallion pancake making and scallion harvesting, both I love a lot. For both they're conducted in Mandarin, but the guides are very nice and patient to help along. Definitely worth it. Getting to the location via bus may be a bit far, almost 15 minutes walk from the bus stop. When going back, we took an Uber ride instead, which came quite fast within 7 minutes. Definitely recommended for all scallion lovers. We, a family of 5, took a taxi to the Chongchuang Baby Experience Center. Because it was close to noon and very hot, hot face emoji, we had an onion plucking activity, but because it was very hot, we could only pull out one onion. The store provided rain boots and bucket hats, which I liked the most. The first part is DIY scallion pancakes. The teacher is very enthusiastic and kind, and explains clearly. After finishing, you can eat the scallion pancakes you made. Fun experience and got to eat own scallion pancakes. Owner was friendly and welcoming too. The dough is soft, and the scallion pancakes are delicious to make by yourself. There are skills in pulling scallions from the scallion field, and the next step is to help the scallion babies take a bath. The washed 3-star green onions are so fragrant. Teacher Waksheng explained professionally and kindly, and also guided us to tourist attractions. He can be said to be a local expert in Yilan. There is a parking lot here for easy parking. A very far place, but overall experience was not bad. Thanks for the experience. The pulling of the scallion was just one stalk. And was very easy. Could easily do so with 2 fingers. Great experience. Get the farm tour if you want a more complete experience. You're given pre-made dough, 4 different flavors for you to choose from. Spring onions were prepared for you too. Instructor was super generous and told us to use as much spring onions as we want. Delicious and crispy. Would recommend. Really nice experience in Yilan. Instructions were given in Chinese, but you can also watch the demonstration on the TV screens, so it was quite easy to follow. Other participants who can speak English might be able to translate for you. Picking spring onions was fun too. There is a parking lot and it is easy to park. This time I participated in the experience of picking onions and making onion pancakes. There are water shoes of your own size, and the ticket can be exchanged for an ice stick, which is very fun. I had the experience of picking onions last time. This time, I specially took my children to experience making onion pancakes. The children also have their own bibs. When making onion pancakes, there are also small benches so that children can stand and make them together. If you don't go while waiting, experience pulling onions and see small animals. Is fun experience in plucking the scallion and making the pancake ourselves.